Okay, this is what it sounds like running outside of the cabinet. It gets really quiet. You can kind of hear the water inside, and that's about it. A little bit of rumble from the thing. That's the water pump. I have it just set on normal, and I don't have extended dry on. This is the Bosch 300 series. 500 series kicks this little door open, kicks this open when it's done, because they don't dry very well, I hear. And you get this red dot on the floor whenever it's running. I haven't slid it back in yet because I'm waiting on some parts for there. I want to put a power box or the part that comes with this so I can wire it straight to that wire. I found a big leak under my sink while I was at this, so we're going to run to the hardware store here in a minute and buy some plumbing stuff. Alright, Bosch 300 series running.